Hi, welcome to PropW Academy. Today we'll be covering multi-timeframe analysis. Let's get started. Ever entered a trade that looked perfect on the 5-minute chart, only to get crushed by a trend on the 1 hour? That's the danger of tunnel vision. In this lesson, we'll explore multi-timeframe analysis, a powerful method that helps you align your trades with the bigger picture. You'll learn how to use higher timeframes for direction, lower timeframes for precision, and how to apply this workflow live on PropW. Now you can ask yourself why multi-timeframe matters. Okay, let me give you an answer to your question. Markets move in waves, and those waves look different depending on the timeframe. A bullish move on the 15-minute chart might be just a pullback on the 4-hour. By analyzing multiple timeframes, you avoid conflicting signals, confirm the dominant trend, and time your entries with greater accuracy. It's like zooming in and out on a map before choosing your route. Now let's move on to the 3-level framework. If you want to achieve good entry and accurate analysis, you should use the 3-level approach. Higher time frame, daily or 4-hour, defines the general trend and key areas. Medium time frame, 1 hour or 30-minute, improves structure and settings. Lower time frame, 15-minute or 5-minute, defines precise entry and exit points. Start with the big picture, then focus on execution. This keeps your trades aligned with market momentum. Okay, now before we move on to the practical application, let's learn about the common timeframe combinations. Here are some common combinations used by traders: swing traders, daily, 4-hour, 1 hour. Intraday traders, 1 hour, 15-minute, 5-minute. Scalpers, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute. Choose your stack based on your style. The key is consistency. Don't switch randomly. Stick to your framework and build muscle memory. Now let's go to our official website to apply this information to the chart. Here we have a Bitcoin chart. As you can see, the PropW platform offers many timeframes, which can be accessed by clicking on the word More. Okay, we'll start with the 15-minute frame. As we can see here, the trend is down on this small frame. But don't forget to use multiple timeframes, because if you open a short trade here, the uptrend on the daily frame will break you. As we can see here, the daily frame is completely different from the 15-minute frame. You'll notice that the downtrend has been completely erased here. This entire decline was reduced to just one candle on the daily frame. Let's return to the 15-minute frame to see the difference between them and how completely different trends can occur on different time frames. Okay, my friend, for any analysis you want, you have to start with the highest frame available to determine the trend, and here we will start with the monthly frame. We zoom out a little to see the chart more clearly. Here we can see that the primary trend is clearly upward. We then move to the next lower frame, the weekly frame. We also see that the trend is upward on the weekly frame, but in more detail. We can also draw an uptrend on it. We then move directly to completing our analysis by identifying major support on the higher frame, the weekly frame. Using the toolbox on the left, we select the Trend Line option to begin identifying the closest major support to the current price. Through the support and resistance lesson, we identify the support area. Since support is a range, not a single line, we redraw a second line to create a price range. We also learned that the price bounces off support upwards and targets the last swing high. Therefore, if we want to set targets, this would be a good target. We also identify the resistance area closest to the current price using the Trend Line option and highlight it in white. We then move directly to the daily frame to see the price's respect for support on the higher frames. We see clear respect for support through several bounces from the previously identified support range. The price reached the range, then broke strongly, traded above it, and then returned to test it twice. As we can see here, every time the price reaches this range, it reverses upwards. This demonstrates the strength of this range and its ability to bounce back each time. As for the 4-hour time frame, the situation is similar to the daily time frame, where we see numerous bounces from the same support level, providing numerous opportunities to enter and make profits. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to check out other PropW Academy videos for more tips and strategies. See you next lesson.